Hello, I'm Ann with Clinton Parkway Nursery, and today we're going to talk about the crabgrass preventer with all seasons. This is a crabgrass preventer that works on established lawns. If you seeded your lawn last fall, don't use it. You'll pay the price. But for established lawns, it works very well. The advantage to this one is it lasts for 6 to 8 months. So you put it on, you need to put it on before the first part of April. You put it on then, you're going to have crabgrass control until the end of the season. This one also has a little bit of fertilizer in it that will help green up the lawn a little bit. Not a lot. It's about a half an application, but it kind of greens it up for early spring color. Thanks for listening today. We're with Clinton Parkway Nursery. We're at the corner of Clinton Parkway and Wakarusa. Watch for the flowers on the roof.